Hi everyone, I am Akshay, an customer support executive at EduPlus campus. In this video, we are going to see the hostel model part 2. Hostel, we have covered the basic master filling in masters and hostel masters. Now we will go with the actual admission of a hostel. Now we'll go with admin. And first is offer hostel. In offer hostel, hostel which we have added, now we have to offer that year. For academic year, select the hostel name. Select dummy hostel, select the category for premier or regular, select the gender, select the minimum transaction amount required, then minimum booking amount, and then the capacity number of students, and click on save. You can see the details over here, like we have added a dummy hostel, we have added a regular, gender as male, minimum transaction amount 10,000, minimum amount. We can add this type. We can also edit this component also. Once you offer the hostel, then you have to set the fee structure of the students. In hostel fee structure, apply the filter academic year, hostel, wage or non-wage. You want to set the mess type as this. Then add the fees categories. If I'm selecting here for as girls hostel, you can select here as wage or non-wage, and you can add the excess fees, guest charges, deposit fee, hostel fee, hostel maintenance, and mess fee. If you don't find any component is missing here, then you can add them from your masters and click on add. Then you will able to see structure like this: total amount of fees plus GST. Okay, now we have completed the hostel fee structure. Now we have to offer the room. Yes. Now we offer room, admin, offer room. Offer room, select this, select hostel offering, and click on fetch. You will able to see the rooms that we have added before will be seen in the list over here. And we have to select the room number and is group label applicable. If applicable, then tick mark this. If it is for particular organization, then you can select that organization, and if group applicable, then select on group. You will click on 6. You have to select all the rooms over here and click on add. Now these rooms will be available for the student at their end. Okay, once we have done with the offering room, then we have to allocate a bed. If you are adding a new student in our ERP, then you can use this link add new learner. You can add you can add his registration number over here and check if it is available or not. If not, then you can, if you are having multiple students, then you can just download the sample file and import student. After importing, the last step is we have like allocate bed. In allocate bed, just take this, then choose the hostel, click on fetch. You can see here all the hostel beds we have allocated are seen here. You can see here different color indications for different types of indications. Like we have capacity, we have 366, allocation is done 1, vacancy report we can see over here. If you want to allocate this bed, then just click on this plus icon, enter the student's PRN number, click on fetch. You will see here all the details of the students, and you have to select the mesh type, wage or non-wage, select the remark, and are you allocated to medicine. You can select this and offer the bed to that student. Once bed offering is there, then you have to do the fees payment. You can do fees payment from here, or you can go from the account section. In this we have covered the admin model, like offer hostel, hostel fee structure, then offer room, then add new learner, then allocate bed. Once bed is allocated, then we have to do the fees payment. For fees payment, you can go in account section, you can pay fees. Pay fees, enter the PRN number of student, click on proceed. You can see the details of student over here. Then select the payment mode from which you want to do. Select the DD number, select the date, drawn of bank name, excess amount if any, and click on save. Okay, then you can see here, you will be able to see here hostel fee. The fee structure which we have added will be seen over here: hostel fee, deposit fee, mess fee, and total. You have to pay the fees and click on save. Then the fee receipt will be generated. You can see the fee receipt from here. In accounts, you have a hostel receipt. Click on hostel receipt, enter receipt number or PRN number, click on fetch. You can see here receipt number challan is generated for his payment. Click on this receipt number, you will able to see All the fees component like hostel fee deposit, all will be seen over here. You can edit this receipt also by clicking here. If any changes of bank name has been done by mistake for you, so you can change here. Once we have done with the account section, then next is the reports. You can see here room occupancy report is there, fees collection report is there. If we see fees collection report, apply the filter, click on fetch. You can see here fees collection report. This student has paid the fees. This total amount of fees total paid till now, all will be seen over here in this report. Then if you want to do a hostel installment, you can do a for that student. If you want to see the hostel balance report, you can also see the hostel balance report is there. You can see here all the reports are like this. Okay, room occupancy report, fees collection report there, hostel occupancy report, fee balance report. This type we have covered all the hostel model. Okay, you need to start basically with the masters. After master you have to go with the admin model. In admin you have to offer hostel, offer room and allocate bed. After that you have to just do the fees payment. You can go in accounts you can pay fees, and you can generate the hostel receipt also is there, and you can able to see the reports over here. Thank you for watching.